Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review at BURT'S Ultra Condition 2-pack lip balm. Let's see if I can get the camera focus. There we go. There is a 2-pack, which is 15 ounces or 4.25 grams. This is the Ultra Condition one with Kokum Butter. I don't know, this guy, BURT'S, he's got, a whole different lineup, all different weird types of lip balm. With like cocoa butter, palm butter, all different types of butters and stuff. Also, I don't know if you can still find it anymore, but I know he did like a documentary on Netflix. So if it's still on Netflix, go check it out. If not, try to find it on Netflix. The documentary was pretty good, but yeah. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on this. There we go. So yeah, I'm not going to read any of this or the ingredients, but I will leave it here on camera for a couple seconds. And if you actually want to read all this and the ingredients, then pause the video and take your time and read whichever one you want to read. Okay, I'm going to be moving on to the actual product. So, like I said, if you wanted to read all that stuff on the back, just rewind the video back a little bit and pause and read it. So here's kind of what the containers look like. Same thing as you can see right here. So yeah, BURT'S Bees 4-hour moisturizing, hypo-allergenic, critical tested, ultra condition lip balm with Kokum Butter. I don't know, I never heard of this, right there. So, I think that's how you say it. Ko and then Kum. I think that's how you say it. The word like Ko as in ko and then Kum as in kum. Kokum. I don't know, like I said, this guy does a lot of weird exotic butters and stuff. So yeah. 100% natural, obviously. And stuff. So let's see if we can crack the seal on this. Okay. And see what it looks like. Looks like your average lip balm. Smell. Kind of smells like your average lip balm. Now, it's weird. When you apply it to your lips, it's not like your usual cheap lip balm that you get like conventions and, what are those other things called? Like, I don't know. You know what I'm talking about. Well, like, they give you a little tote bag. Not a good quality tote bag, but, like one of those little canvasy type of cheap tote bags. And you just go around from table to table and they're like, oh, we have a pen. We have a pencil. We have a business card. We have a piece of candy. But, oh, only take one piece of candy. Because, we got a whole freaking bowl full of candy, but we'll be watching you. Like those type of... They're not really a convention. This called something else. I can't remember, but, I'm just going to call it a convention. But yeah, it's not like, you know, it smells like the chapstick that you get from one of those type of places. But it actually goes on smooth, and you only need a little bit, and it's kind of oily, but not like super oily like how other name brands are. It's kind of like in between where the smell and applying it, it's good. So definitely, you know, he does make a pretty good product, I think. The only downside is it's expensive and high price. Like, I was looking to see how much just one of these are. It's like ridiculously like $6 to $7. Some of these. He had like a little miniature mini. He had a mini one. So if this is the normal size, imagine it smaller and then smaller on top of that. So he had like a mini one that he was charging $7 for. It was like a travel size one almost. It was almost like one that you could give to like your little model kits, like I don't know, to like gunpla model kits or to flame arms. It'd be a little bit big, too big to give it to like a Lego figure. If we're talking about scale size, it's somewhere between like a 1/144 scale and like maybe a 1/100 squared scale. Definitely too big for a Lego minifigure. But I was like, my God, that's a ridiculous price. Like $6.99, $5.99, $6.99 for a mini little one. No, and then these ones go between like $7 to almost $10. I've seen it like Target. I was like, oh man, this guy, he's got to drop the price on them. Now I don't mind if it's like, you know, maybe $5 for two. That's still kind of high, but I mean, at least you are getting two. But I'm talking about like between $6 and $10 just for one of these, not two of these. Oh no, no, not two, just one. Dude, he's got to drop the price if he's going to put it on one. I mean, the product is a great product, but price range is why they're not selling that much. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of BURT'S Ultra Condition Lip Balm with Kokum Butter. I guess that's like how you say it. 2-pack. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.